afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
What's your name?
Okay, my name is Kiel Balimoy.
Age?
Age 24.
Occupation?
I serve as a travel manager for the travel bureau.
Occupation?
A style is campus travel bureau manager, but in default, it's overall.
Can you say something, a short description about yourself?
About myself, aside from being fat, I think I'd be capable of handling people concern.
How long have you been working as ticketing agent?
I graduated 2007, so roughly I got 4 years with this.
How are you being graded or evaluated in your work?
I got 3 companies already. For this one, the system goes yearly, so they will review my performances, not just based on profit, but probably based on the feedback of the people around. That's it.
How is the regularization in your work?
By default, in terms of law, you need to have a 6 months provisionary period, and then after that one, on the 61st day, you're considered as regular. But with technicalities, if you got some issues, so they might extend it. So from our end, Autonomous Travel, it will take 6 months prior regularization.
Thank you for your time.
Thanks as well.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Can we secure a copy of the work update?
As much as I want to help you, unfortunately, that specific document is internal and quite confidential. So I got the previous evaluation before that we got some notes. So apology, I cannot send it over.
Thank you.